Hi there. If you're a person just like me who has to work on this large list of item, but you don't want to get overwhelmed with that large action item list, then I may have a tool for you. Every morning I wake up and then I look at my list. I do a mind dump and put all the things that are important to me quickly in a list. And then I copy these items and put it over here like this. What it does is that it creates a focus window for you, which reduces your overwhelm because you have to look over here and not the entire list. So you can just click next, 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 and you will see all the items that are there. You can do a fast scan of all the items without getting overwhelmed. And maybe in the next cycle, you can start choosing things of your interest, So it kind of allows you to do some priming. So imagine this was an important activity. I'll just click it here without losing my focus. You don't have to worry. It goes into a sub list down below. And then, you may just look at other items and choose what are important to you. What it also does is that you have this feature where you may by default randomize your list. Randomization has its own advantages, or you may choose to go serially, in which case items will come in the same order as you have pasted over here. You may also use these fancy features where you can turn on an audio. You really don't look at the list, you just want to listen to it. You could
new tools. What can
kind of look at it this way.
And check analytics.
So I've been using this tool for the last 10 years. It's a super simple tool, but I plan to build it in the public approach, scale it up with many productivity and features. So please go ahead, use this tool, and let's build this together.